Hi, I'm Sel, and to answer the discussion forum for Module 1, let me describe what development communication materials are, and let me identify under what circumstances development communication materials can be used. Development communication materials are tools and resources specifically designed to facilitate the exchange of information, ideas, and knowledge to promote social, economic, and cultural development. These materials aim to educate, inform, and inspire positive behavioral changes within targeted communities, often focusing on the underprivileged or marginalized groups. These communication materials are purpose driven. They are created with specific development goals, such as improving health, education, agriculture, or environmental sustainability. They are audience centered, meaning they are tailored to the needs, language, literacy levels, and cultural context of the target audience. They are accessible, designed to be easily understood and used by diverse groups, including those with limited education or access to information. They are action oriented, focused on encouraging positive behavioral changes or actions that contribute to development. They are value based, emphasize the values such as equity, empowerment, environmental sustainability, and social justice. Examples of development communication materials are print media. These are the leaflets, brochures, posters, newsletters, manuals, and reports. For broadcast and media, these are the programs or radio programs, television shows, and public service announcements. For audiovisual media, these are the videos and multimedia presentations, digital media such as social media posts, infographics, websites, and mobile apps. So, to summarize, development communication materials are essential tools for fostering understanding, engagement, and action, ultimately contributing to the betterment of individuals and communities. Development communication materials can be used in various circumstances where the goal is to inform, educate, and inspire positive change within communities. These materials are particularly effective in addressing social, economic, and environmental challenges. Here's the list of circumstances under which development communication materials can be used. First, we can make use of the DEVCOM materials in the health and awareness campaigns to educate communities about health issues such as disease prevention, vaccination, hygiene, nutrition, and maternal and child health. Can also be used for environmental conservation to raise awareness about environmental issues like climate change, waste management, deforestation, and water conservation. We can also make use of this tool for education and literacy to promote literacy education and skill development, especially in underserved communities. Can also be used in agricultural development to share information about modern farming techniques, pest control, irrigation methods, and crop diversification. For social awareness and advocacy to address social issues such as gender equality, human rights, child protection, and community empowerment. For disaster preparedness and response, to inform communities about disaster risks, preparedness measures, and emergency response protocols. Behavioral change campaigns to encourage positive behaviors such as quitting smoking, practicing safe sex, or adopting healthy eating habits. Economic development to promote entrepreneurship, financial literacy, and access to economic opportunities. Community mobilization to engage communities in collective action for development projects such as building schools, cleaning neighborhoods, or organizing health camps. Cultural preservation to promote and preserve cultural heritage, traditions, and practices. conflict resolution, peace building, to foster dialogue, understanding, and reconciliation in conflict affected areas. For policy advocacy, to inform communities about new policies, laws, or government programs and encourage their participation. And lastly, can also be used in emergency situation to disseminate critical information during crises such as pandemics, natural disaster, or humanitarian emergencies. So in summary, DevCom materials are versatile and can be adapted to suit various contexts, audiences, and objectives, making them essential tools for driving positive change in our society. Thank you.